How to download WhatsApp status in iPhone. So as we know, we cannot simply download the WhatsApp status. Here is an alternative to this problem. Firstly, open the App Store. Here we are going to make sure that our WhatsApp application has been updated to the latest version. As you can see on the screen, it says open and not update. Now let's open the WhatsApp application on our iPhone device. And at the bottom left corner, you can see a section called Updates. Simply tap on it. This is the section where you can see the updates of your friends. Even though you can see these updates, you cannot download them. So to be able to download these updates, go to the Settings application and scroll all the way down and tap on the Control Center. Now make sure that in the included controls, you have screen recording. As you can see, I do have screen recording in the included section, but if you have it in the More Controls section, you can simply click on the green plus button. Now simply open your WhatsApp and start screen recording from your mobile. Open the update that you want to download, and this update will now be screen recorded and saved in your photos. To stop screen recording, simply tap on this red time displayed. And that's it. This is how you can download WhatsApp update on your iPhone. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.